You're always busy, always moving, always doing something, yet somehow you feel empty. What if you're not lazy but quietly lost? You're moving but going nowhere. Your days are full, your calendar is packed, your tasks never end. Emails, work, study, errands, side goals. You check things off, you stay productive, but at night something feels missing. You're tired but not fulfilled. Busy but not satisfied. It's not burnout. It's something deeper. Here's what's happening. Your brain confuses movement with meaning. Busyness feels productive because it gives quick rewards. Check marks, deadlines met, praise from others. Your brain gets dopamine. But meaning. Meaning comes from progress towards something that matters. When there's no direction, only motion. The brain stays stimulated, but the heart stays empty. You're running the engine in neutral. Busyness is safe. Purpose is risky. Busyness keeps you occupied. Purpose asks hard questions. Why am I doing this? Who am I becoming? Is this even mine? So we stay busy to avoid listening. Notice the hamster wheel. Ask yourself this. If I stopped everything for a week, what would actually break? Most tasks feel urgent, few are important. Busyness repeats. Purpose compounds. You don't need more speed, you need a direction. Phase 2. Separate motion from progress. Motion is activity. Progress is movement toward a value. A ladder matters only if it's leaning on the right wall. Before doing more, ask, what does this build? What does this serve? If there's no answer, it's noise. Phase 3, pick one meaning anchor. You don't need 10 goals, you need one anchor. One thing that makes effort feel worthwhile. Learning, health, creating, helping, mastery. Everything else should support this. When effort connects to meaning, energy returns. Phase 4, create empty space on purpose. Meaning needs silence. If every moment is filled, nothing can be felt. Schedule nothing. No productivity, no optimization, just space. That's where clarity appears. Phase 5, measure satisfaction, not busyness. Stop asking, how much did I do today? Start asking, what mattered today? Even one meaningful step beats 10 empty tasks. A full calendar doesn't mean a full life. When you slow down, you don't fall behind, you realign. Busy people burn out, purposeful people endure. Motion exhausts, meaning sustains. You don't need to quit everything. You don't need to disappear. You need to stop mistaking movement for progress. Choose direction, then move. Because a meaningful life isn't built by doing more, but by doing what matters. If this resonated, save it, rewatch it, and ask yourself tonight, am I busy or am I becoming? That answer changes everything.